Hey dolls and gents, welcome back. I am Fearless for anyone that is new to my channel, and I'm going to do a P.O. Box haul for you guys. There's a couple of things that was sent to me through P.O. Box out of love, some stuff to represent to you guys, and I just want to let you guys know that anything you want to send me, I definitely appreciate. My P.O. Box is 3124 P.O. Box 3124, and that's Boynton Beach, Florida 33426. It'll also be down in the beauty bar below, and I support, love, and will share anything that you want me to share that you send to me. So I'm going to open this one right here. So this one is going to be a page and channel that I do want you guys to check out. Oh, she sent me some cute little stickers. So this is Zahara lip gloss. Zahara lip gloss be poppin'. And this is the card she sent with it to say thank you. Some happy Halloween stickers. So this is Zahara lip gloss. And I believe that this is going to be the Instagram page for it, but I will make sure and put it down below. It says Zahara lips. And there are gemstones. Can y'all see those gemstones all over this lip gloss? It's so cute. Zahara lips. This one has butterflies. Is there butterflies in it? Oh my God. I think there's butterflies. That one had glitter. This one had butterflies in it. I'm going to try to find her Instagram just to make sure right quick that I get you guys the right information. And like I said, regardless, it will be down below. So let me see. Yes, Zahara Lips Cosmetics. Zahara Lips Cosmetics. So if you are watching on your phone or whatever right now, go ahead and grab your iPad, laptop, whatever you have, and follow Zahara. It looks like that. The logo has some red and gold in it, and it says Zahara Lips Cosmetics. Go ahead and try them out. She is out of the DC, Baltimore, New York area. She accepts Cash App, and PayPal, and you can inbox her. And then here is the blue one. I love how she's stuck. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I love how she stuck the gemstones on there. That I also took my lighting away. So give me a moment, you guys. The gemstones on there. I apologize. Every time I get ready to record, someone wants to call. She also sent me a nail file. And that's my daughter. So I'm just going to tell her to give me a moment. I said, hold on a minute, and Siri takes hold on a moon. I swear, when they come up with something that can really understand people. She sent some really cute stuff for Halloween. I got an eyeball. It's probably a gum that I'm probably going to take to work and eat. And then some teeth that my granddaughter is probably going to take from me. And I have her card here for Zahara Lips. This is her card here, and her card actually, can y'all tell? Her card looks like a Visa card. See the chip? Looks like a Visa card. That is absolutely so cute. Her Facebook is Kiana Marino, Kaina. Last name Marino, Moreno. The Instagram is Zahara Lips Cosmetics. And she has an email, KianaMartin62@gmail.com. Anybody needs any information, it's going to be down below. Or please go now, while I'm saying this, to her Instagram page, which is Zahara, Zahara Lips Cosmetics. And I want to try one because I haven't done anything to these lips all day. And they tripping. They is tripping. Oh. Oh, great. Oh, y'all. This smells like a brownie. That smells good. This one, it didn't have a name on it. She might comment down below. This one smells like a brownie. Very moisturizing. This one, the one with the butterflies in it, doesn't have a scent at all. If it does, I can't smell it. Maybe because I smell the brown. That brownie smells really good. One has butterflies in it. And the blue one, my daughter's going to steal this one. Her favorite color is blue. Like her car and everything is Stitch. She loves Stitch. If y'all seen her tattoo, she has a Lilo and Stitch tattoo. This one smells good. I think the brownie is all I smell, but this one does have a different scent. So they smell really, really good, but it does seem like she does have some that don't have a scent to it. So if you're a type of person that don't want a scent on your lips, and also the one with the butterflies in it has a reddish tint to it. I did not bring a paper towel, so y'all forgive me. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Only because I have to open some more stuff. So your girl's lips feel real good now. I'm good now, y'all. I'm good now. I'm good now. Ooh, those lips is popping. I got another video to do, so I'm glad them lips is popping on it. I also had another friend to reach out to me and ask me if she can send me a unit that she was not going to use. And I was honored. I even offered to give her shipping or something back because I was like, girl, but she didn't want it. This is a braided lace wig. It's a braided lace wig. And you probably can't tell, but it's like burgundy. It's a burgundy color. I am not that good with laying lace at all. I know y'all know that. I do my thing for me, but I'm not that good with laying lace at all. I'm going to try to lay this unit down, okay? I'm going to try to lay this unit down the best I can. I definitely am going to try. So y'all pray my strength. I guess she got it from this Braids Queen. She reached out to me. Thank you so much for reaching out to me about this unit. I'm definitely going to try to lay it down. I may try to do it like on a Sunday morning when I have more time. Like not an early morning when I'm getting ready for work because I don't want to mess it up. Maybe a Sunday morning when I actually can get up and play with it and kind of get it how I want it. And then I'm only like going to church. So if I need to tweak it any type of way, that first prep for me will let me know how I want to wear it from then. But I definitely do plan on wearing this baby, trying it out. Yes, I do, honey. So thank you so to the so very much. This wasn't her brand, but she ordered a wig that she could not use and she thought of me. And I absolutely love her for it. I'm not going to say her name because I don't know. Some people don't want to be recognized. They just do things out of the goodness of their heart. But just to let you know, that's that beat. And then another young lady reached out to me. I think these are nail tips. And she had some nail tips. I think she said that she wasn't going to use. And she thought of me. I'm completely honored. Latoya's Life. Hopefully she doesn't mind me mentioning it. She did put it in here. Hope you get some use out of these beauties. I do love a curve, but these were too deep of a curve. But I tell you what, these are the Empress curve. And I had heard about these before, and I did buy some of these before. But I am honored to get these because I am thinking about changing some of my nails. I do have a curve, but can y'all tell that some of my curve is gone? Not out of the pinky's curved. This one's curved, but I still may change it and give it. I'm thinking of giving them a deeper. I'm not going to mess with this pointer, but I am going to mess with the thumb. Try to get it to curve a little bit more. So I absolutely do appreciate these because there are times when I dig in my kit and I do my own thing. And that time is coming up soon. So thank you so very much. She sent me 2 packs of them. And I'm honored. I don't know how much they costed her. But for her to think of me, it was just too much of a curve for her. And some people are like that. Like some people... I love a deep curve, although you do have to be very careful when you're dealing with a really deep curve because it gets caught on a lot of things and you don't want to like rip your nail bed. So you definitely have to be careful, but I know how to manage a curve and I don't think I'm going to mess with this hand too much. This one is more curved than this one. I'm going to figure it out. But I don't like how two of these look underneath. These two, I don't like how they look underneath. And then this one has somewhat of a curve, but I don't like that one. Because you see that curve right there? So, whatever. I'm going to make some changes. So, thank you so much for the tips because they're going to get used because I have things I have to do to myself. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. As I stated before, my P.O. box in the beginning of the video, and it'll be down in the beauty bar down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.